guys, hi, this is Ritika Sangodkar and welcome to my channel Be Crafty. So this is the first time you're watching me guys. So I'll be making arts and craft DIY as well as haul videos. So in this video I'll be showing you all the stuff which I have bought during this lockdown period. So basically some are from Amazon, I have ordered them from Amazon, and some I have got from my nearby local store. So all the products are very budget friendly as well as very beginner friendly. So let's get started. So the first product is Camlin's brush pens. So this I got for 200 rupees and there are 12 shades. These are very good for calligraphy as well as for brushings, line work. So basically I was looking for Dome's brush pens as there were 14 shades in that and exactly the same price, and it had very good reviews, but I couldn't find it anywhere. Ended up buying these ones. These are also very good, mainly for beginners. Actually you can learn calligraphy using these pens. So the next on the video are these gel pens by Luxure. So I was looking for some gel pens like in a budget for drawing mandalas, colorful mandalas. So I got these pens for 100 rupees. There are 10 pens in all the color shades, and they do their work very well for the price that they have. So next I have got is the Fevicryl fabric glue. I got this, it is just for 15 rupees, and I got this to make some DIY videos. So next that I have is, I was looking for watercolor palette. So on online store a small palette is also for 80 or 90 rupees. So I got it from my nearby locals. Like I have already used it. So I got this for only 40 rupees and it is very great. The quality is very great. It is very sturdy and it is great for the price. The company's name is Khyati. I tried finding it online but I couldn't find this palette. It is there on Amazon. It has various varieties of palettes, but I couldn't find this palette which I was looking for to put in the description. So I'll be providing all the products a link in the description below. So the next thing that I have is the Anupam's watercolor papers. So basically I was looking for some watercolor paper, 300 GSM papers, but actually they are very costly. For like I found Brusto watercolor papers and they are very good for the price, but for beginners I find it is like you can't invest 400-500 rupees at the beginning for such papers. So you can definitely buy this Anupam's watercolor papers. They are very good for their price. It is for 175 rupees and you get 10 sheets. They are very good and the quality is also very great. So the next is the which I got is the canvas board. It is by Variety and I got it for 40 rupees. And it is 6 by 6 inches and I have got this to make DIY video. I'll make something on this. So if you're looking for any sketch pad like a drawing book in a budget, so you can definitely buy this Dome sketch pad. Like it is 150 GSM and the price it is just for 160 rupees, and there are 36 sheets and the pages are also very like huge. You can definitely draw 2 paintings on one page. I can show you like. So I tried drawing two drawings on one page. So definitely the pages are huge and also of very great quality. So you can definitely buy this as like for 160 rupees you get this huge book, and that too with great quality papers. So you can definitely buy this. So the next that we have is the Faber-Castell's watercolor tubes. So I got it for rupees 100 and there are 12 watercolor shades. They are pretty decent. The pigment and all. So I got this pencil as well with this box, and they are good for 100 rupees. So the next product that we have is this Faber-Castell artistic pen. So I got this for 360 rupees and there are 4 pens. So there are in different tips. So they are great for mandalas, mandala making as well as for line works. So you can buy these pens. They are very good for their price that they offer. So that's it for the video guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more such videos, and you can follow me on my Instagram. So comment down your thoughts or any of your suggestion that you have for me, and thank you guys for watching.